Yeah, all of my diamonds, they shining. Haters like, knock that off. Yeah, all of your diamonds are fake. You need to stop that, dog. Stop that, dog.
What's up, YouTube? This is the Wolf Pack, and my name is Tyler. I'm a new YouTuber, not really. I just made it. I made another YouTube channel called The Three Ninjas, but I deleted that YouTube channel. I think I did. So, cousin Christopher is the best cameraman. You need to pay him or something. Anyway, we're gonna talk a little about me. I'm 15 years old. I like drawing. I like playing basketball. I like playing video games. As you see me outside, we're about to go to the woods, but I really don't feel like it. We're about to make us episode 1 tomorrow, survival, about the wolf pack. So stay tuned. Subscribe today. Join the wolf pack. Till next time.